G'day guys, I'm pretty sure I made one of these videos years ago. It's probably really poor. Just about the final assembly of the Toyota style rear shoes. I did try doing it a different way and it's too difficult. So if you leave this spring on the leading shoe and try and fit this onto the handbrake shoe, it's doable, but it's just not the way we used to do it, and I've proven it to myself now. Now, after lubricating the backing plate, making sure the circlip's back on, hold on, let me change this light, that's horrible. And ensuring that these are the right way around, holding in what they require holding in, okay? Make sure that this rear thing is springing back, the security device, and with your finger place this here, right? Now a tip for these is you can use vice grips. I've lost my tool in the move here to the new workshop, so I do what my dad does with very gentle pressure, right? Hold the pin from behind and easily apply that. Now with this spring hanging down, fit this shoe, don't forget to fit the handbrake cable on, bring it all around, and now guide this here like that, give this a push, okay, and install that spring as you would with side cutters. I'm not going to attempt to do that while I'm videoing, but that's the best way to do it. Understand that you need to wind this back to make installation easier, and also if you have oversized shoes and you buy cheap shit shoes, get ready to be sanding for half an hour. Make sure you get your grubby prints off and give the drum a nice finish, the hub and the lip on the edge of the drum. Make sure that's all nice, and then proceed to adjust. Once you adjust, okay, what's holding the car up? Oh, nothing. Once you adjust, okay, and install the drum, let it drag a little bit, and then give the handbrake a little pull, okay, and you'll find it might take some more adjustment. Always give the brakes a few pump and use the handbrake, and then readjust if required. You're better under adjusting than over adjusting. As we know, over adjusting causes the shoes to wear out and create a lip in the drum and then bind everything up. Has this got a window from behind? Yes, it does. So you can also do the final adjustment with the wheel on. That is the preferable method. You'd need a slightly bent screwdriver to do it, or something quite compact to get in there. If the customer's on a budget and we see through windows that the shoes are all right and there's no wetness from the cylinders, I will at times just do a free quick adjustment from behind, and if you do over adjust with Toyota, through that window is a provision to use a hook to pull this locker back and undo. So this is not a video of how to do the shoes. I'm not into those videos, but it's more about the tips and tricks, and to install the leading, install it all together and just pull this all together. When you install that spring, I find that's the best method. Make sure this is in position here and that you haven't installed that spring the wrong way around. It's easy to mark things with a bit of Tipp-Ex if you want, or liquid paper. And that's it. Pretty easy stuff. Okay guys, hope that helps. Bye.